Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to show you what's in the brand new LOL Surprise Pearl Surprise Ball. Here to get started we need to unzip the ball. And here it is inside the big surprise ball, so it's quite a bit smaller. Inside we have 6 accessories. Outfit number 1 is a cute bathing suit with a seashell top. Outfit number 2 is a swimming costume with some cute sandals. And now for the fun part, the seashell bath bomb. What's inside? Let's have a look. First we need to dunk it in water to reveal the plastic seashell inside. And inside the seashell we have 3 blind bags. And the blind bags include 2 new dolls. Their names are Treasure. Oh my gosh guys, look how cute she is in her outfit. And we also have Little Treasure. Thanks to Adulting with Children and Fun with MIYA and EMMI for sending us these amazing pictures. Don't forget to check out their channel. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button guys and click on the bell to be notified of our new videos.